Permanent Magnetic Integrated Motor Disassembly and Assembly Video Guide. First, introduce the materials and tools, screw hardware, motor flame, stator assembly, compressor head, motor rotor, and installation tooling. Step 1. Install the motor flame. Insert screws into their respective mounting holes. Tighten screws in a diagonal crisscross pattern. Next step. Install the motor rotor. When installing the motor rotor, ensure alignment between the compressor head shaft pin and the internal groove of the motor rotor. Press it lightly. Then secure with the screw equipped with rotor retaining plate. Next step. Clean both the rotor and the stator surfaces with pneumatic gun. Then proceed with stator installation. Finally, securely fasten the stator with screws. Above completes the full motor installation procedure. The following section details the motor disassembly procedure. The disassembly process reverses the motor installation sequence. Step 1. Loosen the stator mounting screws. Then remove the stator assembly. Here's a useful tip. Refer to the video demonstration. Next step. Remove the screws with rotor retaining plates inside the motor rotor. Then extract the rotor using installation tooling. Refer to video for detailed operation. Final step. Detach the motor flame. This completes the full permanent magnetic integrated motor disassembly and assembly video guide.